Hello everyone, this is Sumit Mishra and today I'm going to talk about the hashtag Black and White Challenge. Over 3.8 million Instagram posts in less than a fortnight with the hashtag challenge accepted is pushing a new age display of women supporting the other woman. According to the spokesperson of Instagram, hashtag challenge accepted trend, which is usually accompanied by women supporting women hashtag, is meant to celebrate strength, spread love and remind all women that supporting each other is everything. The challenge started trending in India from Monday 28 July onwards. The two hashtags, challenge accepted and women supporting women together, are getting phenomenal traction on social media sites, especially on Instagram. Women are nominating other women in their circles to get on with the trend, and the cycle is continuing like that with the grayscale pictures of women at the forefront. The earliest post associated with the hashtags, according to Instagram, reportedly belonged to the Brazilian journalist Ana Paula, who posted one such post a little earlier than a week. However, lots of people expressed concern about how does this challenge serve the causes most pertaining to the woman. A user said that you are not alone here. I don't get this new challenge either. Wouldn't it be more appropriate to instead post work we have recently enjoyed that was created by other women, like books, documents, magazine articles, beauty products, apps, charities, etc. Earlier in 2016, a similar challenge accepted trend had got in the traction, but it was meant to raise the awareness against cancer and its increase associated with the women in particular. According to PR social media manager Christine Abraham, the incident of US Congresswoman Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez being called a bitch by a male politician was the spark that led to the resurgence of this hashtag challenge. It's all to do with the female empowerment. There was this hashtag that already existed to raise awareness around other large issues. Though the portraits have spread widely, the posts themselves say very little. The black and white selfie allows users to feel as if they are taking a stand while saying almost nothing. Influencers and celebrities love this type of challenges because they don't require actual advocacy, which might alienate certain factions of their fan base. On one side, people are getting concerned and criticizing this type of challenges, whereas on the other side, some of them are supporting it too. In an article, ThePeople.tv, the writer expressed her views. Everyone does weird stuff to uplift themselves, and especially now when quarantine routines are becoming monotonous, almost suffocating. People are dealing with the pandemic in their own ways, some by posting black and white selfies and some by staying clear of them. The challenge does not make anyone more or less a feminist, but if it is making women feel like queens, if just for a moment, the least everyone else could do is just let them be. So that's what the article says. It's your choice whether to participate or not, but I just want to say that you should know what are you doing and why are you doing. We should know the purpose behind it. So that was it. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.